Hello, Ma'am Jade. This is Cyril Panoga Baskugin, and this is my research proposal. My research proposal entitled The Impact of Reading Comprehension on Learning Performance of Preschool Learners. I choose this research proposal because right now, I noticed that children are facing difficulties, especially in reading comprehension. So by this study, I am able to understand and analyze different challenges that affects to their reading comprehension. So let's begin to the introduction. The reading comprehension lays the foundation background for academic success beginning in preschool. The ability to understand and interpret written text is crucial for accessing knowledge, developing critical thinking skills, and fostering lifelong learning. Research also constantly underscores that vital role of reading comprehension plays predicting academic achievement, with early literacy skills emerging as a robust predictor of future education success, according to National Institution of Child Health and Development 2020 rather. As the recent report, reading comprehension labels in the Philippines had been significant area of concern, especially among students in elementary and secondary education. While there have been some improvement, challenges persist, particularly in the wake of disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. A few key points include declining performance in international assessment. In assessment like the Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, which measure 15 years old reading, mathematics, and science literacy, the Philippines has been constantly ranked below average in reading comprehension compared to other countries. In the 2018 PISA result, Filipino students scored lower than the OECD average, reflecting gaps and literacy skills. Impact to remote learning, to shift also to online and modular learning during the pandemic, further exacerbated challenges in reading comprehension. So that is for my introduction. Therefore, this research study aimed to explore the impact of reading comprehension on the academic performance of preschool learners, recognizing that preschool years are crucial for setting the solid foundation for lifelong learning. By examining how well preschool children understand what they read in various domains such as language skills, cognitive abilities, and social emotional development. Through this, educators, parents, caregivers, and policymakers can give valuable insight and understanding on how to support and provide strategies or retention to support the needs of young learners in becoming proficient in reading and to become a successful student. So, the background of my study is reading comprehension are indispensable for a life growth. Coping with academic demands and challenges of life are impossible without these learning competencies and basic educational skills, just like reading comprehension and literacy. So I'm not dealing into this. I also cited the different people that shows intention as well to the study. So the theoretical framework of my study is cognitive development theories of Lev Vygotsky. You know that we all know that Vygotsky is focused also in the cognitive development, which is essential to the reading comprehension of the children. So according to Vygotsky, offer support when discussing the effect of instructional strategies of molding can offer in a term of social influence on cognitive development. Vygotsky places emphasis on children discovering and developing new understanding through social interaction with skillful tutor. The tutor may be a model behavior or provide verbal instructions for these children or child. Vygotsky also refers to this cooperative or collaborative dialogue. The child seeks to understand the action or instruction provided by the tutor, then internalize the information using the guide and regulate their own performance. According to Vygotsky as well, this type of social interaction involving cooperative and collaborative dialogue promotes cognitive development. So, cooperative dialogue through social interaction allows children to develop language, which can become a powerful tool of intellectual adaptation. Likewise, cognition refers to a thinking of memory process. So also, Jean Piaget believed that learning was proceed by the interplay of assimilation. So that this is two proponent or theories that support to this study. So let's go now to the statement of the problem. So the statement of the problem, generally this study aims to determine the impact of reading comprehension on the learning performance of preschool learners. Specifically, this study aims to answer the following questions. 1. What is the level of reading comprehension of preschool learners when taken as a whole as a group according to A. Sex, B. Age. 2. Is there significant difference on the level of reading comprehension of preschool learners when grouped according to sex as well and age? Is there a significant impact on reading comprehension on the learning performance of preschool learners when grouped according to as well as sex and their ages? So the definition of terms. To better clarify and understand this study, the following terms are conceptually and operationally defined for the purpose of this study. For example, conceptual reading comprehension is the ability to read, understand, and interpret text. In preschool learners, it involves fundamental skills such as decoding, recognizing words and sounds, vocabulary, understanding the meaning of words, story comprehension, understanding the plot, character, and sequence of event in the story, and the text to self connection or relating the text to personal experiences. Operationally, reading comprehension will serve as the independent variable of this study as we preschool learners' learning performance relies. Reading comprehension will be measured will be utilized as a contributory factors to academic performance. So there is many conceptual and operational, and I not deal into this. So let's go now to the scope, the limitation of this study. The main purpose of this study is to determine the impact of reading comprehension on the learning performance of preschool learners. The study considered the learner's personal information, such as age, sex, and determining the difference on reading comprehension and learning performance. This study will only be conducted to preschool learners. I've stated the Duas Visayas State University Integrated Laboratory School in the academic year 2024-2025. So I choose this ILS for the meantime. So let's go now to the review of related literature. Actually, there is many studies supporting the research, especially in reading comprehension. So I provide some. For the reference as well, I provided. Then let's go now to the purpose of the study. So the purpose of the study is to examine the impact of reading comprehension to the academic performance of preschool learners. This study aims to determine the reading comprehension among preschool learners and its impact on their learning performance. So the research design. This study is use a descriptive research design to describe the reading comprehension and academic performance of preschool learners from WVSU ILS. A questionnaire will be used to determine the level of reading comprehension and its impact on learning performance of preschool learners. So Chapter 3, the research design and the methodology. So Chapter 3 involves 5 parts: purpose of the study and research design, participant of the study, instrument, procedure, and data analysis. So part 1, purpose of the study and the research design, cited the general and specific objectives of the study and research design. Part 2, participant of the study, present the participant of the study on how they will be chosen. Part 3, instrument, present research instruments that will be used in the data gathering. Part 4, procedure, present the procedure involved in the product of the study. And the Part 5, data analysis, present the statistical tools that will be employed in the study. So let's go to the purpose of the study and research design. This study aimed to determine the impact of the reading comprehension on the learning performance of preschool learner. Specifically, this study seeks to answer the following, or comprehension levels, on how they affect the learner's performance if taken a whole and group according to their ages and sex. I choose descriptive research design to this study. So the participant of the study is are the preschool learners of West Visayas State University Integrated Laboratory School. The research will be involve all learners in one section of kindergarten learners of VIVSO ILS. Simple random sampling will be used to determine the participant of the study. With the simple random sampling, every learners had a chance to be selected as part of the study. So the instrument is in gathering data from the participants of the study. The researcher will be utilize a reading comprehension questionnaire to know the learner's level of comprehension, and survey questionnaire to assess how reading comprehension affects learners' learning performance. The questionnaires will undergo validity and reliability tests to ensure the effectiveness of the instructions in answering the purpose of this study. So, to the procedure, the researcher will follow several steps in conducting the study. The researcher also will make questionnaire that include checklist and open-ended question to determine the comprehension level of the impact of learners' learning performance. After the completion of this questionnaire, they will undergo validity and reliability test with the help of experts to ensure the credibility of the questions to be used in this study. Revision in the questionnaire will be made if needed. The researcher will select the participant of the study, which is preschool learners of West Visayas State University Integrated Laboratory School. The selection participant will be done using simple random sampling method. Researcher will formally coordinate with school administration regarding the conduct of the study, and so on and so forth. Then the researcher will gather from the research participant using approved questionnaires. Then each participant will give in a question to answer. Then so on and so forth. When the questionnaires already answered, then the researcher will gather and compile questionnaire for data analysis and interpretation. Statistical tools such as mean, percentage, and t-test will be utilized in this study to measure reading comprehension of preschool learners and to determine the difference among groups. So the reference of this study as well is indicated. I think this is all. Thank you so much.